Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making thick aloe vera. The things that you're going to be needing is the aloe vera, of course. I just washed it. Knife. This I don't even know what to call this. Cutting. I don't know what to call this. I don't know what it is, but this is what it is. If I find out the name, I'll let you guys know down below. And then a bowl. So we're going to put these on the side because we don't need these right now. And we also need a strainer. I'll show you guys the strainer in a little bit. So right now we're just going to cut the aloe vera. We're going to cut this part out, the part that we don't need. So we're just going to cut it out. Alright. Alright, so we're going to cut the aloe vera and like the juice that I'm going to make, well, it's not a juice. It's going to be like the gel. I'm going to attempt to do the gel. So I'm going to cut them in pieces right now. So now we're gonna cut the end part. So we're gonna take off we're gonna try to take out the first layer. You see how nice and easy it is to take off, you guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the bowl so no juice can actually get wasted because we don't want that. As you guys can see, I'm literally just scraping off the gel slash juice out of the aloe vera. That's going to be pretty much the whole process. The goal is to get all the juice slash gel out of the aloe vera plant. As you can see, the aloe vera gel slash juice gel is really thick right now. I like the consistency because when I blend it, it becomes too watery and it's kind of hard to work with. I kind of have to put it in a spray bottle and spray it in my hair. But with this consistency, it's much thicker, so I can just take a little bit and apply it to my hair, and it'll be so much easier. So for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna show you guys the process, of me scraping off the gel out of the plant and transferring it into a jar after I'm done.